Let's go through the entire process of creating a new script and assigning it a project in the Google Cloud Platform. Here I am at my home page for script.google.com. Home, projects. Okay. New script. I'm going to give it a name. Resources, Cloud Platform Project. This script has an app script managed Cloud Platform Project. Change project. I need to set a project. I need to enter a project number. So let's go to my console. Console cloud google.com. Hit enter. If you look at the documentation, it's got a button here. Go to Manage Resources page in the GCP console. Let's click this. Console, cloud, google.com. Resource Manager. It's gone to the Manage Resources page. That's fine, but what if I don't want to go to the documentation every single time and find the button? How can I get to the Manage Resources page directly? If I go back, Manage Resources. Okay, I'm in the I am an admin page. See, Manage Resources. I am an admin. Manage Resources. Okay, I can get there that way. I'm at Manage Resources. Let's click Create Project. I've got 11 projects remaining. Let's give it a name. Add-on I created. Project ID. It cannot be changed later. No organization. I'm not going to worry about that. Create. It's grinding away here. Just now, it created a project. Test Forms add-on. Let's refresh the page. Okay, I had to refresh the page. Test Forms add-on. Here's my project that I just created. Project ID. Is this the ID that I need for this? I don't know. Project number. Settings. Project number. Okay. So let's review. I clicked settings and I've got a project number field here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to the AppScript project that I just created. I'm going to enter the project number here. Set project. Failed to retrieve developer's console project for script. Okay. Close. Let's refresh this. Resources. Cloud Platform Project. Let's try it again. Set project. Okay. Confirm project change. Okay, so I'm not getting an error message this time. By associating your script with a different project, the following changes will be made to the old project. All user authorizations for your old project will be permanently revoked. Okay, this is a brand new project, so I don't care about that. You will not be able to revert to an app script managed project. Confirm. You cannot switch. I'm getting an error message here. You cannot switch to a project without a configured OAuth consent screen. To configure the consent screen, please visit here. Let's see what it is. OAuth consent screen. I need to fill this out. Application name, the name of the app, asking for consent. Oh, it's showing me that I can save it. Well, let's click save, see what happens. Saving. Alright. You need credentials to access APIs. Enable the APIs you plan to use. Well, I'm probably going to use the G Suite Marketplace SDK eventually. Depending on the API, you need an API key, a service account, or an OAuth 2 client ID. Let's see, I'm not going to worry about this right at the moment. Let's see what happens. I'll try clicking this again. Okay. Confirm. And it did it. Success. Project changed. So, now, if I click the blue link, okay, it's opening up the Google Cloud Platform. You can see the name here, Test Forms Add-on. Looks like I've gone through the process. Let's close this. Okay. This is the app script file I've created. It's got nothing in it. It's just got an empty function. Let's try this again. Resources. Cloud Platform Project. Now I've got a link. Okay. This script is currently associated with project, and this is the project that I just created. So that's a setup right from the beginning. If I wanted to publish this as an add-on, I'm going to need to add an API. So let's click this button. Let's search G. Okay. G Suite Marketplace SDK. A toolkit for integrating web applications with G Suite. Enable. Let's do it. Enabling API. If you wanted to publish an add-on, you would need to go to the configuration settings. You need to go through this. Okay, I'm getting a message here. Please set up configuration tab before publishing. So you need to enter some graphics here. 128 by 128 is required. These two are required only if you're using universal navigation, but you should enter something here. Your link to your terms of service, and check one of these and click save. So Those are the basics.